This free robot has generated over $30,000 for me in one of my funded accounts. That's an average of $1,000 a day, which is insane. Not just because the growth is extremely steady and it's a fully automated system, but because I downloaded it absolutely for free from the MQL5 marketplace. Let me show you everything. Right on my screen you can see the Darwinex live account where the expert advisor has generated nearly $33,000, and the last trades were closed on the 7th of February, and I started this account on the 26th of December, which means that it's been trading for about 30 to 32 days without the weekends and the holidays, or it makes an average of $1,000 a day, which is really insane for a free expert advisor. You can see how many trades it executed. It is called the Grid Machine and you can download it for free from the MQL. There are plenty of reviews as well, but as you know, I don't trust anybody or anything on the internet, and that is why I prefer to test it myself. If I share with you my FX book account, you will see that it's been performing really well since the day I have started testing it, and there was a drawdown right after the new year, but since this moment it has been profiting really well. Take note that the drawdown was 8.64, and since this is a grid expert advisor, such a drawdown is expected. That is why I don't trade it on prop firms but on Darwinex, where you don't have maximum daily drawdown or maximum overall drawdown. You can see the performance right in here. It's been really on the profitable side. My current rating is 81.18. The return this month is 1.51 and the previous return is 8.23%. Take note that the max drawdown is just 2.67%, which is way lower compared to what we see in my FX book, just because Darwinex have their own engine which lowers the risk for the investors. And since the beginning of February I have received allocation of 30,000 euro, which means that these funds were invested in my Darwin, and I'm getting 15% from the profits, or what they call it in the asset management firms is the fee that the managers should receive. This 30,000 was invested in my Darwin, and by managing the same account that I have from the very beginning, which is a $100,000 life account, I'm also managing this $30,000 allocation, and I would be receiving this performance fee for the current allocations, and I will leave the link down below in the description so you can learn more about how the performance fee is calculated. But if I go to my Darwin and I go to payments and I click on allocations, you will see how easy it works. So for the period I have 77.49 euro, or that is 15% from the total profit of 516 euro. Alright, so that's the profit from the capital that is under management, and in my case it is 30,000 euro. The high watermark status is 1.72, which is a concept in the asset management industry. And I know that many of you will say 15% is much lower when compared to what the prop firms offer, but I will tell you what. Look at my screen. FPFX terminates license of prop trading firm Funded Engineer. If I go to the website of True Forex Funds, it says, due to a nonsense reason, MetaQuotes has terminated our licenses. Do you believe that first sentence? So for me personally, having a Darwinex account with a decent expert advisor, allocation, and the ability to withdraw your 50 15% performance fee makes a lot of sense, and diversification plus you sign up for just 95 euro and later 38 euro a month, and if you use the coupon down below in the description you are getting extra discount. And this month my subscribers can sign up for just 10 euro, but the spots are limited. The most important thing here is the safety you have when you are trading with an asset management firm and not with prop firms. I do both, don't get me wrong, I'm not against prop firms, but we see more and more prop firms temporarily closing their accounts, and I personally feel safer having a Darwinex account, and actually I have a few. That's another account of mine which I showed already a few times where I'm trading another expert advisor. It's been running for a few months now. I received allocation of 25k here, but the recent December was negative 6.80. Now it's going on a profit again, and if I go to the payments and to allocation, you will see that in this account I earned just 8 euro and 6 cents, but that is why I would like to have more than one Darwinex account, and actually I'm preparing the third one now, so whenever one of them is in a drawdown, the others would be compensating. And I will leave the link down below in the description to the Darwinex account where I'm trading the grid machine, so whenever you're watching the video you can see how it's performing. But this is a grid system. It is risky for live accounts, it is risky for prop firms. That is why I use it on Darwinex, where we don't have daily drawdown, max drawdown, and even if your account drops below 5 or 10%, you are not losing the account. You might miss allocation, but you are not losing the account. Before you go, check out all the links down below in the description and have a look at this video on my side, so you will learn more about Darwinex and what the platform can offer you. As always, I thank you for watching until the end. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.